How to put image in table in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly add images to tables in Notion, making your workspace more visual and organized. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, head to Notion and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the page where you want to add images to a table. Now type /gallery and hit enter. This will convert your view to gallery view, perfect for adding visual content. Next, create or link a database as prompted. Now click on any gallery card to edit its content. Inside the card, click the text box and type /image. This lets you upload from your device or paste a URL. Select your image and it will be embedded directly into the card. Want to make it stand out? Click highlight after uploading to give it extra visual emphasis. And that's it. Adding images like this makes your Notion tables more engaging, informative, and interactive. That's all for the video. Don't forget to try this out and take your Notion workspace to the next level.